Hello guys, we have both Bassheads 225 with us today. Let's see if they are a decent purchase for 500 rupees or not. To stay updated with all the awesome tech we review, hit the subscribe button. Something about this brand feels promising. Remember the time when they cracked the market with Indestructible Cables? Now they offer a lot more variety when it comes to mobile accessories. As the name suggests, both Bassheads are meant to attract you for boom sound at this price. In the box we get earphones, 2 additional pairs of earbuds, and a pair of fins to make them stay put in your ears. We also get a clip to tuck these earphones to your shirt. The initial expression highlights the bold looking metallic earpiece. The very next thing that caught my eye was use of flat cable, which is supposed to make your experience tangle free. The metallic end connecting you to the music world seems to be a nice touch. We get single button control, which is used for play pause on single click and next or previous for double or triple click respectively. This is how they look after attaching the fins, which are supposed to create a grip for these in your ears. Before we talk about the performance, you should know that the node splitting these earphones is made out of metal, and that makes the earphones a bit heavy, making them fall out of your ears more often than you want them to. So clearly, they are not ideal for running. I have spent 3 weeks with these earphones as my regular drivers, and I think the voice clarity is just fair at this point and not too promising. The bass, however, is very well balanced, making final output not so cranky at higher volumes. I would recommend these earphones to those who consider bass as a priority and not looking for premium voice clarity. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please put them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.